Scrapping with Scrapper Boy, boys. In the snow in Michigan, holy shit, colder than shit. It's been raining and snowing all day. We're gonna tear all this shit up here, all these light skis. We're gonna get that lamp all tore up, this computer here. And we're gonna get some more stuff here to scrap ski. Probably some aluminum and stuff. A little bit of copper, and then we're out, boys, to the scrapyard. Alright, boys, got me a little bag of wire here. I'm guessing about 4 or 5 pounds. Got me some unclean stuff there. 2 radiators. You know, I still got some stuff left over from last time, some vacuums. Well, I got a couple vacuums left over. Got me my truck filled up here. All the stuff I dug out of the garbage I've been digging. Just been a digging, boys, and I'm gonna go take it in. I got me some Christmas tree lights I didn't even fuck with. Got me some aluminum in there, some pots and pans I dug out of the garbage. Let's go see what we get, boy. Alright, boys, at the old scrapyard with Scrapper Boy. Let's see what we get here today. It's probably ain't gonna be shit. $57.20, boys. $57.40. She bounces around. Look at this place. She's all dirty. Ain't got much scrap here today. They've been cashing her in for the holidays. I might get stuck in this shit. Holy shit. Look at it. We got a mud hole here, boys. Got a mud. Alright, boys. Here at the scrapyard with old Scrapper Boy, aka Johnny Picker. Gotta throw all my shit out here. Got me my desk, got me some shit here. Let's get the desk out here first here, right? She's a hell of a beast. Holy shit. Got me my Wrecking Car 72 sticker there. Holy shit. Scrap me up some light bulbs, boys. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, I got some mud on me, boys. Hopefully that didn't take out the old candle. Scrapper Boy, boys. All kinds of shit up in there, cans. Snowing like a beast out today, boys. Snowing like a taking the scrapping to the next level. Holy shit. CD-ROMs and shit. Probably a stainless steel ring I just threw out. Mailboxes, pots, TVs and shit. Lots of action here today, boys. Lots of action. Put my wiring systems over there. That flat screen TV stand was messed straight up, boys. There's the inside of a CD-ROM. Here to see that shit. boys, we're getting her done today, my friends. Gotta get some money. Trying to get some money. Oh yeah. Getting some money with John Picker. I think that was a diaper, boys. Fucking diapers in the back of my truck. The old lady had a birthday party for the kid. Instead of leaving the diapers at the freaking Holiday Inn, they throw them in our freaking truck. What the hell is the sense of that? They got trash cans at the Holiday Inn, woman. You know that. Yep, boys, we're almost getting her done here today, my friends. Gotta get this little shit. I should have left it all in the box, boys. Should have left it in the box. John the Pickers create more work than what the hell it's worth, boys. Alright. I think that's about it, boys. Oh, we got a mop ski. They can have that. They can take the old mop ski, boys. Holy shit. We're done. Finally done. Alright, boys, back up. Go get way back up here. Holy shit. Mud Pit City. Get stuck around this place. Bouncy ass camera action. Not good, boys. Not good. Let's see what this guy's got to say today. Tell me we got some money. Tell me we got some money. Scale, bud. 5340. Oh, boys, what do we get scrapping with old Scrapper Boy this week, eh? Some Christmas tree lights, electric motors, copper number 2. Got a few pounds, boys. 420 pounds of tin, 13 pounds of aluminum. Them are all them pots and pans. Copper, 3 pounds, 16 pounds electric motors. Equals out to 59.21, boys. Holy shit. Scrapping with Scrapper Boy. Alright, boys. Just got done in the thrift store. There she is, see? Old St. Benny's. Good place. Got me a couple bags of shit. There's Cold Beast right there. I can car a sticker in the window. Holy shit. Looks good, boys. Go check the old flea market out. She's open today. Tire got a leak from the scrapyard. Son of a bitches. She's leaking, boys. Yep. Got a leak from the scrapyard. $40, $50 gonna cost me $10 in tire repair. Son of a bitch. Doing a little thrift shopping, boys. Little thrift shopping. Oh yeah, John the Picker's gonna come up. Oh, let's whip her sideways, boys. At the thrift store, Old Salvations. Love this place. Love digging in their dumps. Alright, boys, hitting up the thrift stores like Urban Diggers today and buying up the clothes like Old Global Voodoo Vintage here. We got some coats over there, or Pepsi. Got a Pepsi coat here. Oh yeah, that was $3. Got that at the Salvation. Got a Yamaha coat here. That was $3 also from the Salvation. They might have been like $2.89 or $3.89. I have no idea. I forget what the hell she said they were. They ain't got nothing priced over there like the other store does. This is from St. Vincents. These coats are $6.25 a piece. That's a nice coat. Nice Polaris Edge. Holy shit, Polaris Edge. Extra large or some shit. Thin so light. Nice ass coat for me for the winter. Got me a little handheld book for like 50 cents. I think their books are. Yeah. Both handhelds, DS and crap. Got me a thermos for 50 cents. I don't know how old it is. I couldn't read the bottom. Yep. Can't read the bottom, boys. $2 for this little guy. He's pretty stupid. Don't know why I got it. I figured this little cross here, I don't know. Figured that might be collectible. Who knows? Only 1,500 of them, it says. Got this stupid little Star Wars game here. Holy shit.
Hello, I am C3PO,
Hello.
and this is my counterpart, R2-D2.
You'd be shitting me. Got a bunch of games on it. Counting games and stuff. Good for the kid. Good for the kid. Might be a collector's one day with $1.50. It wasn't bad. $2 for a Leap Pad Leapfrog. Amazing Spider-Man edition. Pretty cool. Works and everything. There we go. Got me a cranium game here. Everything's still in there. Got a sweet little board here. Everything is all metal in there. It's got some cool looking guys on there. Everything's all metal in here. Holy shit. Pretty cool stuff there, boys. Yep, I'm gonna get me some more video games and stuff here one of these days at the old Salvation, eh? Till then, we're gonna get some coats and whatever have you. Yep, that's what we get, boys.